The net number really is how much money do I have starting for next month. If I have $34,000 in ordinary money going out of my bank every month, and I have $47,000 sitting in my bank account, then I probably have enough cash on hand to run next month. If I don't, if the ending cash is less than my cash out needs, then I'd better be making some sales.
Yeah.
And remember, the net number is all you have available to you as an individual, okay? And that would be after any expenses or any cash out obligations. Okay, so owner's draw, and I mentioned this, and a sole proprietor, the money that you take out of your business for yourself does not show up on the profit and loss. People always go, well, isn't that number taxable? No, what's taxable is the net number, not the amount of money that you take out of your business as a sole proprietor. Are we clear on that?
Say that one more time, Lorna.
I will.
Yeah.
Okay. The money that I take out of my business, okay, does not show up on the profit and loss report. It is not taxable. The money that I take out of my business as a sole proprietor is not taxable. The number that is taxable is the net profit, period. Okay? This is a place that people always just start to spiral out of control. But isn't it taxable? No, it's not taxable. It's not taxable. The net number is taxable. Well, how do I pay taxes on that? You pay none on the net. Okay?